all you groovy cats and kittens. Would you like to know how to make a cool and gnarly lava lamp? Let's go back in time and try it. Hey amigos and flamingos, welcome back to another Creative Friday. Today we are going to make a lava lamp using these very simple ingredients: oil, water, food coloring, and Alka Seltzer. Are you ready to get started? I'm so excited. Step 1, add oil. Step 2, add water. Step 3, add 10 drops of food coloring. Step 4, drop the Alka Seltzer. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What did you think about our totally cool, spectacular, radical experiment, amigos and flamingos? Pretty gnarly, huh? If you'd like for us to showcase your experiment, please be sure to share your post on Facebook or Instagram. Tag Amigos and Flamingos Book Club and hashtag Creative Friday for a chance to be showcased on our page. I hope you guys all enjoy doing our experiment. Be sure to check us out next Friday, because next Friday we have another exciting thing planned. Big shout out to Jackie, who works in the pharmacy department at Albertsons. When this experiment wasn't working out, I decided to go to Albertsons and get some more ingredients. Thanks to Jackie for suggesting Alka Seltzer, because without her help our experiment wouldn't have worked, using the instructions that I was given on YouTube. So thanks to Jackie for that great idea. Without your help, Jackie, our experiment would have been a complete flop. A dud. Epic failure. Thank you guys for joining. See you soon. Bye.